We are going to review top 5 best digital pianos and keyboard. Let's get started. List number 1. Yamaha P71. Yamaha P71 is our top pick for the best portability. Weighing just 25 pounds, the P71 is a compact and lightweight variant in the P series. You will love its elegant design and superior performance in line with Yamaha's tradition of building portable digital piano for starter and advanced users. The P71 is also one of the best variants in the P lineup compared to others such as the P45 and the P115, which is more expensive but comes with additional functions. One of the feature dual mode which allows you to combine 2 musical instruments. The P71 has an embedded sound sampling feature that allows you to perform better. It comes with 10 separate voices to record a wide range of loops. List number 2. Alesis Recital. The Alesis Recital is a great all-around budget digital piano for both beginners and advanced players. If you're just starting out your musical journey and are finding key action too much effort, you will find the Alesis Recital's semi-weighted keys an easier option. The keys help you strengthen your fingers before you upgrade to key action as you progress. It comes with 88 keys and its semi-weighted response are ideal for most learners. D also comes with learning aid features such as a metronome and a lesson mode that allows the teacher and the student to play together from different ends of the keyboard at the same time. Alesis Recital is definitely something beginners should consider getting it. List number 3. Yamaha P45. Yamaha is one of the renowned digital pianos brand that never disappoints. The P45 is enough proof of this claim. It's inexpensive yet comes with impressive performance. The P45 uses graded hammer standard and excellent tones. Just like other Yamaha keyboards, the P45 has a sleek matte finish which not only looks great but is less slippery too. It gives you 64-note polyphony which is better than most digital pianos in the same price range. The packages comes with the instrument, pedals, adapters, bench and the stand. The P45 is super easy to use. Unlike other instruments that require you to learn algorithms before you can play, the P45 is a lot simpler. List number 4. Roland R2000. The Roland R2000 is a perfect choice for those who plan to get a large home digital piano or for a studio. It's designed for the professional pianist who needs a wide range of sounds and effects as well as the ability to adjust the sounds professionally to suit their needs. The digital piano provides flexibility and precision required by a professional musician. Among plenty of digital pianos, Roland R2000 manages to stand out and attract many musicians with its excellent performance. One of the best things about the R2000 is its wide variety of features and adjustments. It makes it quite easy to produce or perform different styles on any studio or stage. It has 2 independent sound engine. The R2000 is designed for studios. List number 5. Nor Stage 3. Nor is a well-known brand for professional musical equipment. The Nor Stage 3 is a perfect example of the brand's stage pianos. It's divided into 3 sections which include a customizable piano, synth, and organ. The Stage 3 comes with increased memory for both the pianos and synth sections to allow you to enjoy a deeper sampling and better sound class. The organ section looks like a vintage rotary speakers, complete with physical drawbars to give you better tone control. You can adjust different parameters of the digital pianos from its OLED display screen. Overall, the Nor 3 will give you high-quality sound samples. The keys feel better to the touch and quite responsive too. For its price,